sneeze, I thought that my spinal cord had came through my booty. I did. I had called the Ready Alert people, and I told them that I had fallen and I can't get up. And they had told me that, look, we don't deal with booty, so you need to call 911 emergency. But I was embarrassed because I was like, when people come and knock my door down, they see my spinal cord out my booty, it's gonna be embarrassing. So I had called my doctor and I said, doctor, I said, I think my spinal cord is hanging out my booty because I'm in so much pain, I think I'm paralyzed. She said, well, what makes you think you're paralyzed? I said, I don't know. She said, wiggle your toes and move your feet. And so I wiggled my toes and moved my feet, and she said, stand up. And I realized I wasn't paralyzed, so I had to deal with that. What else?